Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after the US Federal Reserve rate decision, it was widely expected for the rates to be on hold, and therefore we saw a relatively whipsaw price action with the euro still remaining somewhat negative. Still to come though is the non-farm payrolls on Friday, which could see a slightly better number than previous and therefore may see a stronger US dollar. This would be in line with the technicals. Also, as they are breaking down, still keeping the euro close to this objective. That's around that base of 110.15.20. The Australian dollar, since it plummeted on Tuesday, is attempting to recover, but I feel that from the technical aspect, it still remains somewhat heavy. And if we see a close under 73.90, which is still some way away, that is, then we could see a further decline down to about 73.20 area. Nevertheless, from the current pattern, still remains bearish, and I still feel that resistance from 74.65 to 75.15 will find a bearish ambush. Looking at the dollar yen, it's still coasting sideways and locked in the parameter 113.20 to 114.70. In light of the pattern, it is trying to attempt to recover looking at the RSI, but the MACD still seems somewhat heavy. Therefore, I do expect to see the market continue to trade sideways. All eyes to Super Thursday, and that is with the Bank of England. Though there has been much talk that the bank may hike rates, overall, though, it's most probable we'll see the rate decision to be on hold. Still keep yourself on guard of a whipsaw price action, and at this stage still holding the target down to the 135.55 area, about 100 points, due to the technical still remaining married and negative, that is from the RSI and the MACD, keeps that view in hold. KGN still coasting sideways and therefore waiting for that level, which is at 91.40 to confirm the outside range day. There is many negative signals here, but still can't quite get that confirmation. Until then, I'm neutral and just wait and see if we can get that break. Gold plummeted overnight and nearly captured its level of 1,748, but from the rebound, it's holding around comfortably at 1,774. Nevertheless, the technicals are weak, so I do anticipate a further decline and eventually challenge this trigger level. If breached, little support was seen till 1,721. Finally, we saw oil break down on late Wednesday, early Thursday, taking out the level of 80.80, reaching this objective around 78.70. A close underneath there will give further scope to the downside to 74.80. Technically, still remains bearish. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look after the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.